Hi, and welcome back to Chicago Car Club. This is Mike, and today I'm going to be taking you around this 1968 Triumph TR250. We do have a British Heritage certificate on it. It's in its correct colorway, which is Jasmine over black. It has the original engine in it, and we're going to take you around, show you everything that we see, point out the good, the bad. We're open to comments, so as always, we encourage you to reach out anytime by call or text at 312-420-3696. This car was restored in the North Shore of Chicago, up in the suburbs in a very affluent area in roughly 2005. It was seldom driven after that, going to some of the European car shows up that way. But we've got the car. It's very nice, very straight. It looks like they started with a very nice piece before the restoration. And we're very proud to present it to you now. This is a 68 TR250. This was a short production car, very desirable. And this is a really nice example. We'll get up close. We want to make you comfortable making a purchasing decision on it. This car was built October 2nd of 67. It is rust-free. It's got a nice set of tires on it. It's got a newer vinyl top on it, which has one little tear in it that was patched. It otherwise looks great. A couple little chips from being in storage. One right there that was touched up to match. All the panels look really solid. There's no Bondo that we can see or anything of concern. And again, when we get underneath it, you'll see it's a very straight car. There's no major repair areas on it or anything like that. Got a new front bumper on it. We do have the bumperettes, I'd call them, or the small vertical bumper attachments, which will go with the car. We've also got some extra parts, electrical parts and things like that, that'll come with it as well. It's got a lot of original trim on it. It's got some nice patina in the lights and stuff. Very mild oxidation on those corner markers up there, and you'll see on the back bumper as well. The front bumper is new. Tires look new. I don't know the age date on them, but they've got a lot of soft tread left on them. And again, it all goes to the fact the car just wasn't really driven much, other than it was well cared for, but it was a show car for them. So see here that kind of mild pitting there. Inside the trunk, we've got the jack, the original spare wheel. And again, the car was fully restored, so all the jams, edging, all that stuff was done very nicely. Paint's great on the car. It really has a nice finish on it. There's no mask or tape lines on it or overspray. Car was done inside and out and looks really, really good. You can see the interior, new carpet kit. Door cards are really nice. You'll see inside the jam, the doors are super solid. They're not mudded up with filler. You can see how straight everything looks and clean. It's a great little driver. We have the, we want to point out the glove box liner. We have a new one for it from Moss Motors. It's not in there right now. Again, same thing on this side. All the way through the jams, nice and solid. All the body seams look really good. Original top frame with the strapping. The frame, one little ear on the frame is broken. The top works perfectly fine, but one of the center bars on it is not attached, but doesn't affect it going up and down. Starts up really nicely. It's got a nice static choke on it, which you can set. Holds a really nice idle. Warms up right away. It doesn't smoke. There's no unwanted engine noises or anything like that. The dash is fully functional. Speedometer, back. Look at the lights on here for you. Wipers work. Just a very accurate car. A little chilly out. So the car's not smoking, it's just damp out here today and cold. Again, we encourage you can find us online for more detailed pictures at chicagocarclub.com, and call or text us anytime at 312-420-3696. You can hear it revs up nicely. It's got the forward carburetor there, I just noticed, has a little bit of a fuel drip underneath it. Just want to point that out. Pretty common with fuel today with all the ethanol in it. Take it for a ride here. It tracks nice and straight down the road. It's got a lot of new bushings and suspension components and brake components on it. Stops nice and straight. It pulls really hard. Makes great power. That was that 2.5 liter inline six, and that small body. It pulls along pretty nicely. Gets up through the gears. It shifts really well. Clutch feels like it's new. Consistent with the project itself. Shifts down through the gears too. Doesn't grind. Feels really good on the road. You'll see here when we downshift, it doesn't grind down in a second. It pulls in nicely, nice and smooth on the clutch. We'll get the car up in the air and show you the underside here, and do our best to point out any other things that we see or blemishes. But again, the rockers, all the body lines between panels look good. There's that same little chip we showed you before. Nice and dry and solid. There's no rock chips on the front fascia and things like that, which again, consistent with the prior owner's input as far as it being a show car and driven. Another little shot of that other chip there. Paint, again, really, really nice job on it. It was professionally done, obviously. It looks like it was wet sanded out nicely. It doesn't have orange peel. It shines really well. See a little bit of the patina on the bumper there, if we'll call it that, or some oxidation. All the suspension bushings are intact. As you noticed when we drove it, it doesn't have any clunking or rattling. Floor pans look original and nice. The boxed in frame looks really good. There's no patch spots that we can see. Front suspension, again, disc brakes, fully intact. It's got a lot of new brake lines, new brake pipes everywhere. Newer master cylinder. But again, I do these dorky videos just to do our best to represent these cars as well as we can. We feel like we do a very good job buying them, and it's our goal to be as transparent as possible, passing them on to the next adoring owner. So please reach out anytime at 312-420-3696. We appreciate you watching. We look forward to speaking to you.